Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have three job openings, one from HCL, the other from Wipro, another from DELL to discuss in this video. So please do watch this video to the very end to know about all the criteria and apply to the list. Okay, so if you are very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding any kind of videos that we upload. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is HCL. So HCL, there is a notification over LinkedIn. It was a post. Now it is under the job section right now, like being just 1-2 days. So here you can see this is the opening available. So going to the more of the description, you can see over here, BTech qualification is BTech, CS, IT or EC with 75% in 12th and graduation. Okay, so 10th is not taken into consideration. 12th and graduation, you should have 75 more, okay, percentage more. The selected candidates would be placed as a software engineer in HCL Technologies. Okay, and this is for 2020 and 21st graduates. So probably this can be the last kind of set of hiring for you. Like the upcoming hirings will be for 2022. So whoever is left in this like batch criteria, please to apply to the earliest because there's only limited openings available for you batches. Okay, now experience in freshers candidates. Okay, so that is 0 to 2 years of experienced people can apply. So if you're a fresher, then you can apply. If you have experience in months or 1 year or within 2 years, you can apply it over here. And software developer or software analyst or software testers are the job profiles available. So everything will be coming under a single roof called software engineer. Okay. The CTC provider is 3.5 lakhs per annum, and job location is pan-India. It can be anywhere in India across the locations available in HCL. And service agreement is there for 2 years. So it's kind of immediate joining. Okay, so it is immediate joining. That's why they have meant for 2020 and 21st. So once you apply, you will get an online aptitude test. So the link, everything they'll send through your mail ID. So you can apply it here, like within this itself, LinkedIn, or they have also provided the forms. Okay, so you can take this link and paste it over a browser and get it. Okay, so once you apply, you will get the mail for online assessment. Then we'll be having a after that, we'll be having a technical and HR interview. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can apply it at the earliest. Yes. So this is the application link. I'll leave the link in the description as well. So you can take that and apply it to the earliest. Okay. So your contact number, your 12 date, then highest qualification. Then they have meant for BTech, but they have considered other graduates too. It means that if you are perfect for the role, then it's applicable. These graduates can also apply. Okay. So 75 plus is the criteria. So it is to filter that. Then do we have any backlogs? I think you should not have any backlogs over here. And your branch criteria, are you okay to relocate? Then which is your passing out? Then where do you hear about this? Okay, so we can provide it from LinkedIn or other sources, whatever, and submit this application. So this is the link. So I will leave the link in the description. You can take it from there and apply to the earliest. Okay, so this is about the HCL. So I think the application eligibility criteria, everything is pretty much clear to you. So let's move on to the other job that is available in Wipro as an associate. So this is for any graduate. Graduate means who have already graduated. Graduating means still in their, in their studying hours. Okay, they're still graduating. So this opening is for any graduate. You can see over here. This is for the qualification criteria, any graduates. Okay, so roles and responsibilities, basic written and verbal communication skills in English, basic communication skills with proactive and positive approach to tasks, emotionally strong in nature, should be able to withstand inappropriate content with maturity and professionalism, strong work ethic and ability to work with minimal supervision, personal experience using internet websites and social media tools. So here, everything that they have mentioned for the roles roles and responsibility and the job description is a kind of basic skill that everyone should have. Okay, it's not specific to a job profile alone. So if this is most probably seen in all of us, like any graduates will have these skills. So since it's for any graduate, this is a golden opportunity for you to apply and get it's told. Okay, so whoever looking for the job, please to apply. They haven't mentioned about any batch criteria, they haven't mentioned about any of the graduation criteria, then they haven't mentioned about you should know this technology, you should know that and this. Okay, so basic skill, basic your interpersonal skill is pretty much enough to get it as an associate in Wipro. So this is a very good opportunity for all the graduates in the sense 2021 till that. Okay, till that 2021 batches, any of the graduates can apply, irrespective of you belong to BTech, you belong to BCA, BSc, BCom, whatever. Okay, you can apply here if all these roles and responsibilities pretty much handled by you. Okay, so this is the details regarding that, and the CDC will be 3.36. 3.6 is the starting salary for Wipro. Okay, so this is the average package available for Wipro. So you'll be getting around that. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply button. After that, you need to verify your mail. So here you can see this is the first step. You can accept the terms and conditions, then go for the next. So you'll get a form. So this form consists of your personal information, then your CV, your education details, your contact details. If you have any work experience, that, because this is not a mandatory criteria. So if you have work experience, that you can provide and submit your profile. Okay. So maybe like for most of them, you might have faced like if you give the mail ID, you will be getting some restrictions. You will not be getting some form. So in that case, try applying with another mail ID. Okay. So because one mail ID you might have overused for Wipro. That's why this condition do exist. So anyone, okay, if you're facing this issue, please try with an alternative email ID and try for the same. Okay, so this is it. After submitting that, you will get the further process, all the procedures through mail, so you can have a look at your mail. Okay, so this is about Wipro opening. Next, we have an opening in DELL, that as a business operations executive, because operations analyst. Okay, so here you can say these are the details that you will be taking care of. I mean, your job responsibility. So this is the eligibility criteria. You can see you should have a good understanding of end-to-end PO lifecycle, possess analytical skills to effectively resolve technical problems, identify and implement processes, improvements, and think creatively, experience in Excel, strong team player, and should be able to work well diverse team for different geolocations and time zones with minimal support. That is, you must be able to take night shifts, day shifts, whatever. Okay, and then excellent communication skills should be there, ability to work cross-functional at all levels, problem-solving skills and presentation skills, ability to work independently while part of a remote team. So these are the essential skills, and desirable skills will be degree in business or finance or related desirable. So all the BCom related, and if you have BSc, if you have taken BSc too, but you have basic knowledge in all these things, then you can apply. Then BTech, whatever. Okay, so graduates, if you are well close to the finance or business or kind of related fields, then you can apply, because they haven't mentioned particularly on this graduate. They just want you to have some basic idea on business, finance, or related streams. Okay, so if it is that in there in you, then it's completely fine over here. And project accounting knowledge must be there. Okay, so these are the things, and they haven't mentioned about the batch criteria, then specific branch criteria. So anyone with all these knowledges, you can apply. And if you think you are fit for this, but you don't have some PO lifecycle process or these kind of knowledges, just Google it. Okay, they don't want you to have some deep knowledge in that. What you'll be doing exactly there in DELL, you should, I mean, it is not necessary that you should be aware of that. They will teach you anyway. You should know what is that and what is this. That's all. So for that, you can search and get to know about it and apply to the earliest. Okay, so this is about the opening in DELL as well. So in DELL, the average CTC provided is for the business operations and all is like between 3.6 to 4.2, between that, okay, for the freshers. So this is the same as available. And to apply for that, you can click on this apply button. And currently this opening is available under the location Bangalore, Karnataka. So for this, you can sign in. And if you have already signed in, you can use your credentials and log in and apply for that. If not, you can start with your from first, okay, from scratch. You can enter your personal details, you can upload your resume, and after that apply. Okay, so once you apply, beware, keep very much eye on your mail, just see any procedures, follow back procedures are coming up. Okay, so today that's about the 3 different job openings that we have today. So everyone, this openings available for varieties of branches and varieties of graduates criteria. So to everyone, try applying at the earliest and share this video among your friends so that they can also get used to this knowledge. Okay, so that's all, friends. If you have any further doubts or any suggestions regarding the video content, please do mention in the comment section. We'll have a look at that. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.